Slave fighters who would win their freedom if they survived. A detachment of personal bodyguards for a scorched earth policy, leaving nothing of value for the Turks to claim. Poisoned wells
act as an alternative to the speedy agility of the elites. As artist Shi Kai Wang recalls, he began using the Haigug mobile suits from the interesting chapter in Halo's history. And before we look at the latest game, let's explore the various ways they've been portrayed in spin-off material.
Manual recording will now start.
There's a CB. We have your position, but we can... Oh, that was a dick move.
Manual recording will now start.
What are you gonna do with the 2 seconds you just saved? Oh, all that just to go to McDonald's. Oh, shit.
Manual recording will now start.
And then interpolating between them, but that all got put in that was the last thing I did in Halo 2.
No lights? What the fuck?
The oil leader has definitely done a good job of eating the oil, but it's too soon to say whether it's better than the competition. And the WD-40 degreaser has gone after the oil.
Come on.
The cloth is looking pretty deep. Grease looks like melted jello. Great job by the super plate. It's taken several years of waiting, but there's finally enough.
There's always one to use in there.
That was a good line.
Rob's wrote that line.
Sergeant Stacker. Oh, you gotta give.
Hey, what's wrong with this car in front of us?
You don't want to hear it? It's just spooky.
Yeah.
This is actually the name of the piece is
Now wait.
Spooky 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, back by popular demand is the Spinning Theme series.
Halo doesn't make that.
This haven't improved radio communications 500 years in the future.
I think it's the same.
You're clear, trooper.